Okay. Okay, this is a little bit weird. Something's wrong in this question. Let me see. Because when you move 3 as negative, it's infinity solution. Something is wrong in this question. Solve the interval. I suppose case. Well, let me try. This is something is wrong. Why? Because absolute value b minus 1. I remember this question. It's greater than 1 minus 3. Okay, minus 2. And when the absolute value is greater than it's infinity many solution. Then something is wrong. I suppose it's minus. So you see something like that in the test, you change. This is minus. This is minus. See, it's minus plus. This is plus F4. F4. No negative 2, F4, positive 4. Then, so far we have absolute value b minus 1 greater than 4. And remember the rule, you copy b minus 1 2 times because I know that the solution contains 2 p's. And this is greater than 4 and less than negative 4. And we convert this like a compound inequality. It's a b, okay, have a nice day. Okay, John, take care. Greater than, this is 5 because 4 plus 1 is 5. And this is b less than negative 4 plus 1, okay, negative 3. So what is the interval solution? The interval solution is, look, this is my all real number line, infinity positive, infinity negative, 0 in the middle, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and negative 3. Okay, this piece is greater than 5, no include 5, it's that part. And the way to indicate the behavior in the endpoint is parenthesis because we have no equal here. And negative 3 less than, entonces es another direction. Okay, entonces now they want que yo exprese this idea in interval notation. Interval notation is from negative infinity, comma, negative 3, union, 5, comma, infinity positive. Let me see what option is correct. Negative infinity to negative 3. This is completely wrong. Okay. This is negative 3. Yeah, wow, something is wrong. Okay, when this situation happens in the final, okay, suppose que no. You copy your own answer. No necessary multiple choice. You copy your own answer from negative infinity, negative 3, union, 5, comma, infinity. Okay, something is wrong in this question. I remember okay, solving sometime if this is wrong. It's wrong with the sign, and entonces total is wrong. Do you understand this very well? Do you remember this principle? Do you need I clarify some idea? Or no? Everything is clear or confused? Gabriel, Joel, Elizabeth, Marta Chivas, and Juan Lopez. Clear or confusing? Come on. Okay. No answer. Okay, clear. Okay, Juan, thank you. Let's move on to the number 8. Number 8 question. Guys, I suppose everyone received that package, no? Okay, this is the page 3, I suppose. That page. Okay, that page. This is number 8C. Okay, Mr. When is the final? Okay, I explained at the beginning, Juan. Okay, the due date for the final is April 27. It's the last day. See, I do not receive, it's because I suppose that you don't need to take the final. I just grade the test number 4. Okay, by the way, the test number 4 Let's do tomorrow. Because test number 4 is due April 22nd. April 22nd. And that's it. And that's it. Next week, see we don't see we 27, I say 27. 27. Do you see the whiteboard or no? The final 27. Just in case I email to everyone this idea. Okay? Because we need to make sure that you understand very well the rule. Okay? Entonces, clear or confusing? Final 27, number 4, 22nd. And also, it's due, okay, and we have no final, we have no online final. No. Final is only on paper. Okay, so number 8 now. Is x squared minus 6x less than or equal minus 8. This is classical polynomial inequality. Entonces, remember, for solving this, any problem of this, you put the right hand side 0. Important. This 0 is super important. Now factorization. This trinomial. The combination is 4 and 2. Negative both. I put temporary equal to 0 because I want to find the critical value. The critical value are 4 and 2. Positive, both. So now this critical value I'm using to make a partition of the all real number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 and 4 we have. You select totally arbitrary testing point. Suppose 1, suppose 3, suppose 5. Arbitrary. See, if you select different, the answer doesn't change. And you create a table to analyze the signs in this testing point. Testing point 1, 3, 5. And you evaluate one by one and the factors, que es x minus 4 and x minus 2. And you condensing the information for the sign in one extra column, que es de todo. Okay, entonces negative 1 here, 1 minus 4 is negative 3, entonces you put a negative. I don't care the value, I care only the sign. 1 here is negative, and double negative is positive. Because it's multiplication, no? Entonces 3 is negative, 3 is positive here, is negative. 5 is positive and positive, therefore it's positive. We come back now to our original problem, and the original problem say this, not this, this. Less than or equal to 0 is equivalent to say negative, and the true is this guy. So the only testing point that passed the test was 3. Therefore, the interval in which below 3 is the solution. It's this piece. What about the endpoint? Well, the endpoint, que is 2 and 4, is included inside the interval because it's equal sign. So the critical value belongs to the solution. So the solution is bracket 2, comma 4. Let me see. It's A, 2, comma 4. Any question? I'm doing fast because I suppose you remember. No? So you don't remember some detail, let me know now. Super good or super bad? Answer me. It's important for me. Using the chat, maybe. Marisa Taylor, Marta, Gabriel, Joel, Elizabeth, Dailala, and Juan Lopez. It's okay, this is an example. Sure? Okay, I'm good, profe. Okay. So let's move on to the next. Marta, what mean professor after? Do you understand, yes or no? Marta, Chivas. I was misspelling. No, it's okay. It's okay. Yes, I do. Okay, good. This is important. Okay. Let's move on to the number 9 question. The number 9 question is super easy because you have to apply some property of the logarithmic function and expand one expression that contains only one logarithm in 7. And also the coefficient in the front should be 1. Okay, number 9 is natural logarithm of 4, base 4. So inside the argument we have x to the 5th power, y to the 8th power divided by 7, just 7. Entonces you remember property number 5, number 6, and number 7 que say que, for example, when you multiplication like that here, is addition, no? And when it's division like that here at the bottom is subtraction. And when the power 5 and 8, you put like a factor in the front. So we separate in 3 logarithms. Logarithm base 4 of x, but the 5 you put here. This is a combination property number 7 and number 5, because now it's plus 8 times logarithm base 4 of y minus property number 6 is when there's division 7 logarithm base 4 of 7. End the story. Okay, now, where's the answer? The answer is B, I guess so, no? B or C? No, es C because it's minus logarithm base 4 of 7. Super. It's a piece of cake. Easy. Any question, guys? Okay, let me try number 10. Number 10 is also easy because you need to find the composition. The student frequently forgot this idea for the composition. You have to function. F of x is equal to minus 7x minus 5. And g of x is equal to 7x squared minus 7x minus 8. Okay. And you need to compute that. This is the goal. So you plug in 9 and the first function gets g. The order is super important. So you evaluate g and 9. 7 times 9 squared minus 7 times 9 minus 8. Okay, I put in my calculator, of course. So in my calculator, I put in my calculator. 7 minus 7 x minus 8. And you evaluate at x equal 9. Okay, 496. Okay, I did that part. I did g and 9. Now I need to compute f in 495. So the answer for the first function, you plug it in the second. 96. Basically is minus 7 times 496 minus 5. Then, okay, let me try. Is 7 times 496 and minus, wow, minus 3,477. Let me try to select the option. See, thank you, so. Any question? Come on, guys. This is the time. This is the time to ask me any question. It's my pleasure to explain everything you need. No. Okay. I know. Okay, you are ready. You are ready. Okay. Let me try to. Okay, review this file. Okay, we are doing this page now. Okay. Number 11. Number 11 say, find the inverse function of this. So one function is given. Okay, 1 over 6x plus 9. And they want you to find the inverse. So the goal is find the inverse. Okay, for finding the inverse, I propose the following strategy. You replace automatically, immediately, f of x for y. Now the most important moment, you interchange x and y. Okay, x here is equal to 1 over 6y plus 9. Now solve for y. Okay, this new y represents the inverse. Okay, let's do it. Well, I subtract 9. 1 over 6y, multiply the whole thing by 6. So 6 times x minus 9 equal y. And this y is inverse. So I need to check it immediately. And the problem is I need to apply distributive property. 6x minus 54 is the inverse function. Okay, the option C. Okay, super. Easy or complicated? Easy, right? Answer me. At least one student say, well, okay. Guy, Taylor, do you get that? Marta? Okay, good. Okay. Good, Taylor. Thank you. Okay. Moving on to the 12. I did undo because I clear. I make eraser. I erase the page. You see very well the packet, right? You receive the packet, and do you see in the whiteboard how I paste the page? Do you see or no? Do you see the? Yes. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic, Marta. Let's do it in 12 now. Now 12 is easy also because they want you identification the vertex of the parabola. Okay, the parabola is y equal 4x squared minus 24x plus 35. Remember, A is 4, B is negative 24, and C is 35. And this parabola open up. And the reason it open up, I know it open up, is because A is positive number. And they want to find this famous point, is the vertex. And the vertex, we have the formula, is h is equal minus b over 2a. And the component for the vertex is h comma k. So h represents the x value and k represents the y value. You need to find both because of the order pair. Entonces minus 24, so we have double minus, look at that, b is negative 24, the formula contains 1 minus, divided by 2 times 4, is 8. So double minus becomes positive, and 24 divided by 8 is 3. At least I know. Okay, it's 3. Okay. Now, wait. Let me try to find the k value. The k value of the vertex is super easy because the only thing you should do is plug it in the original equation. Okay, evaluate in 3. In other words, 4 times 3 squared minus 24 times 3 plus 35. Okay, let me try in the calculator, of course. Is 4 x squared minus 24x plus 35. Okay, evaluate at x equals 3. Boom, -1 is the answer. K is -1. And the point, vertex, is located at the point. Vertex is located at the point 3, -1. Okay, let me check it. 3 -1 is A again. A option. Any question? No? No problema. Okay. No problem. Elizabeth say, no, I understand very well. Okay, so this is, you in your moment, maybe you have some problem in one specific test. Maybe online or maybe on paper. And the final replace. The worst test. I see, what is the worst grade? Can you get? 0. Okay. And you get 100 in the final one, 100 now. Yeah, I compute the average again. You can predict your overall grade taking the average, the test 1 on paper online, likewise 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now 13. Oh, 13 is a little bit more, not complicated, but it's long. Is find the center and radius of this circle. Entonces, x squared plus 18x plus 81 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals 16. Wow, but this is too easy. Why is too easy? Because you don't need to find anything, because this trinomial and this trinomial both are perfect squares. So some people know me make the complicated no, confusing completed square. Actually, how do you know it's perfect square? Square root 81 is 9. Square root x is 6. Multiplication 9x and additional 2. This is 18. See, it's exactly the same. The middle term is perfect square, and the factorization is just x plus 9 squared. This is similar. Y1 times 2 extra is 2y. Entonces, plus y plus 2 square equals 16. Entonces, now the moment que maybe they are confused, center is h comma k, and we compare, for example, this is the formula, standard formula of the circle, is something like that. X, y minus k squared equal r squared. Compare. You see contradiction because in the formula it's minus, but in my specific example positive. The reason is because h is -9. opposite sign. Likewise, here 2 is negative 2. This is the center. It's located at this point. And the radius is square root. So r squared, I saw, is 16. Therefore, r alone, square root both sides, and 4. Okay, now the center, negative 9, negative 9, negative 1, negative 1 or negative 2? Oh, no, it's 1 here. Sorry. This is 1. This is 1. Because the square root 1 is 1, not 2. Where come from these 2? No, 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 no. Entonces, negative 9, comma, negative 1, and the radius 4 is the option D. Okay? The problem is that maybe sometimes I underestimate the problem. This was super easy. So I make a stupid mistake. Everyone make a mistake, guys. Okay? Any question? In 13. No? No question. Wow. Good, very good, very good. Taylor. Okay, yes. Let's continue then. Okay, 14. Okay, next week I want to connect it again in the corresponding time. Suppose that we finish everything today. I don't know. I suppose que no. We continue next Monday. But Wednesday I connecting. So you have any question about the review for the final test, I can clarify. Okay. Okay, 14. 14 is find the horizontal asymptote if any of the graph is irrational. Okay. It's given one rational function. Okay. And remember to determine the horizontal asymptote, okay, the thing that they want in this problem, only horizontal asymptote. You analyze the degree of the expression and the polynomial. In this case, the polynomial is 2. Is the higher exponent, degree is 2. When the degree is the same, yes, we have. At y equal, and the division, the leading coefficients is 4 and 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Done. The answer is C. Y equal 2 is the only horizontal asymptote we have. Another scenario. Suppose 4x squared divided by 2x cubed plus 1. In this case, we have horizontal asymptote. Yes, it's special when the degree here is 3. Degree stay 2 here. When the degree of the bottom is greater than, yes, we have special at 0. Always at 0, independent of the coefficient. I don't care the coefficient. The reason is clear because this polynomial increasing faster than this. So degree 3 increasing faster than this. This both increasing, but it's increasing faster. In this case, no, increasing the same rate of change. Now they are equilibrium, and the dominant term is this and this, and one is completely negligible. So you take 4x squared divided by 2 x squared. When you reduce the lowest term, x squared cancel. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Done. Horizontal question. Question about the 14. No? Come on, answer me. Clear or confusing? Clear or confusing? You want that explain more, summarize, condensing information that you don't remember. Okay, clear. Okay, good. Okay, Taylor, thank you. Clear. Okay, Marta, thank you. Okay, okay. So everything erased now. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. And the next question. Okay, PDF. Okay. I select review for the final. Okay, open. Okay. I did that. Now that page. Okay. Oh. This is the graph. And the graph, you know, is easy because we can use a decimal. But okay, let's do it by hand in this case. And the first one, 15, is the function f of x is equal to x over x minus 1. Let's do it short. Remember that the procedure to do the graph of this rational contains 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's too long. But let's try to focus on the important thing. The important thing is vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and why no x and y intersect. Okay, to find a vertical asymptote, always you take the polynomial at the bottom equal to 0. In our specific example, the polynomial at the bottom is x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal 1 it corresponds with our vertical asymptote. Okay. And now we start doing the approximately sketch, roughly sketch by hand, x and y. I know that -1 and -1 no and +1. Sorry, we have vertical asymptote. Bam. It's a vertical line passing through the point 1. Okay. So immediately in the multiple choice, I discard this and this because this example contains the vertical asymptote and -1 and non +1. So we need to select in between A and B. Okay. Let's go to the horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote is the same analysis of the degree. Degree is 1, linear, and degree is 1 also. And when this situation happens, yes, we have and the leading coefficient is 2 over 1. So y equal to is the horizontal asymptote. So our horizontal asymptote is the line y equal to, and this is the vertical asymptote, que is the vertical line x equal 1. B is wrong because I don't see, well, actually maybe it's in y0 and y2 is A. The option is super. Okay, entonces we're necessary only analyze the asymptote, vertical and horizontal. Not necessary any more information. Just in case, let me try to see the intercept. Intercept, remember to find the y-intercept, you evaluate the function in 0. And when you evaluate the function in 0, 2 times 0 divided by 0 minus 1, 2 times 0 is 0, divided by -1 is obvious que 0. So the famous y-intercept is the point 0, 0, que is the origin. So our curve is asymptotically to this, passing through this. I don't know exactly what the behavior, because I need to select another point here to evaluate, but passing through 0, 0, exactly like this example, I suppose. Any question? No? Everything is clear? Answer me, clear or confusing? What part do you want to explain again? Juan, everything okay? Elizabeth, everything okay? Gabriel, everything okay? Or you are sleeping? Marta, come on, guys, answer me. Clear. Okay, Juan. Okay. Let's move on to the 16. 16 again is the parabola. What is the most important thing in the parabola? Well, number one is in what direction open, up or down. Number two is the vertex. After, see, we need more information. Well, you determine the y-intercept set, the x-intercept. This is another more sophisticated, but basically the two pieces of information that we need to select here is, I suppose, I don't see this problem. It's the first time I solve this package, because there are several packages for the review for the final. Okay, 16 now. Okay, 16 now. 16 is do the graph of the quadratic function x squared minus 2x minus 7. Well, a1, b is -2, and c is -7. It's obvious that this parabola open up because a is positive. The control of the what direction open the parabola is given by a. A control the direction. See, a is positive, open up. It's negative, open down. See, it's open up, well, immediately I discard this possibility. It's completely wrong. So we have A, C, or D. Okay, let's continue. The vertex now. The vertex now. The vertex now. The vertex is the famous formula H is equal minus B over 2A. In our specific problem, B is -2, 2 times 1, que is A, double minus, become positive, 2 divided by 2 is 1, positive 1. And in order to find the K, you are at the function 1, the original parabola, 1 squared minus 2 times 1, minus 7. 1 minus 2 minus 7. This is -9, this is -8. So the point is located at the point 1, -8. This is K, this is K, and this is H. Okay, let me see 1, -8. I suppose that this is good. This is wrong, completely wrong, because the 1 something, and this is -1. This is wrong. It's obviously. It's obviously A option. Clear? Maybe you see now everything clear. Okay? This is the miracle of the education. No? And now we focus in the part I consider important. The rest, not important so far. Okay, now let's erase everything. Okay, no image. Document, PDF, this document. Okay, let's move on to, we did that, no? Yeah. This is the last page? Yes, it's the last page. Okay, insert. Okay, look at that. Okay, 17 and 18. Okay, only 18 questions, no? Okay, super. Okay. 17 is begin to the graph of the standard, okay, f of x equal x squared. And you then using transformations of the graph to graph the given function, and the new one, okay, I call h, is x plus 2 squared. Okay, the only transformation was, okay, you inside the parenthesis, you adding 2. See, x plus 2 O sea, si es inside the parenthesis, you need to identification, que es horizontal shift. Okay, remember, we have different kind of transformation. We have, for example, when you adding or subtracting, pero outside, one number, A. Plus or minus. Si es plus, es up. Si es minus, this is vertical shift. But in this case, no. In this case, the transformation is vertical shift. In this case, the transformation is inside the parenthesis. Plus or minus B. Entonces, this motion is like that. It's a horizontal shift. But you need to remember when it's positive and left. Professor, is a homework optional? One, okay. Always the rule was que the homework is extra credit. But to get the 10 extra credit point, we need to complete every homework with more than 80%. So greater than or equal. So you get 79 and one homework, no extra credit. This is a rule. They apply from the beginning of the semester. Okay, then identification, que my parabola, que by the way, the original basic parabola is something like that. The vertex is located in the point 0,0. Now my new parabola, I suppose it's the same shape, but the vertex is located in -2 here, 0, no? Like that. Wow, no good. Like that. Because the transformation that we are doing was horizontal shift 2 units. I got 90 in the first one. Yeah. The 80 and 90 is extra. Super. Extra point. Extra 10 point. This was the rule I explained the first day. 2 units to the left. Guys, pay attention to the mathematical part. After you can ask me any question about the organization. But the mathematical part is the most important. Entonces, now, let me see. Bueno, ahí se les di, ¿no? Es obvio que sí. It's obvious que sí, right? I see in dotted line the transformation and the solid line. No. A ver, let me see. Yeah. Always the solid line represent the basic. The vertex is located in 0. And the dotted parabola, dotted line parabola, dotted curve parabola is the transformed. Entonces es obvio que sí. Okay, we're doing well. Okay, good. Any question, guys? No? Okay. This is 18, que es the last one, no? Let me try to solve it here directly on the paper. Okay, you need to remember something. No, let me erase something. I need to erase something. Well, erase. Okay. Because the test not necessarily the same, no? There are some, okay, sure. Okay, this is super easy. The only thing you need to remember is the condition for the restrictions. So when you try in algebra to find the domain of any function, the supposition is that the domain is all real number, except the restriction. And we have several kinds of restriction. 1, 2, 3 restriction. And they are combination. Okay, let me try. 18. The function that is given is f of x is equal 6 over radical 2 minus x. Find the domain. Remember, the domain is the set of the value on the x value such that the function is defined. The function has value. Si es undefined, is completely out of the domain. So the restriction is 1 to 3. When you have denominator P divided by Q, Q gets expression on the bottom, no zero. It must be no zero. Must. And when you have a square root, the expression inside must be non-negative. It's a positive or zero. And the combination of both P divided by radical E, the expression E, que es our, this apply this, because it's the square root and the bottom is only positive. So in order to find the domain, you take the expression inside the square root, que is, in my opinion, E, and enforce it to be greater than 0. When this is the solution of this, give me the domain, and that's it. So for example, for solution this, I move 2 to the other side, divided by -1, because I don't want negative x, I want positive x. But you have to remember that when you divide by negative number, inequality, switching the inequality sign too. Entonces, in order to understand the interval in which that function is defined, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is less than 2. So basically, it's this interval. Okay, less than, no including, of course, 2, because I don't see equal sign here. The 2, because 2, so you plug in 2 here, 2 minus 2 is 0. And square root 0 is 0, and division by 0 is undefined. So the domain is from negative infinity to 2, no include 2. From negative infinity to 2, like the option. Question? Clear. Okay. So let me one more time to explain again. The final, you solving, you send to me, and that's it. Not necessarily waiting for the 27. No. Okay, I need to receive. So 27 is the last day I receive area final, or no? I grade, I fix your grade. This is the due date. So you try to do as soon as possible. 22nd, que es tomorrow, is due the test 4, the regular test 4, online and on paper. And the homework, extra credit, I explained that. Now, okay, one more thing I need. Monday. Next Monday, I open this. So you want to connect it, you connect it. So you don't want to connect it, no connection, no problem. No attendance is not mandatory. So you want to connect it's because you say, Professor, could you help me in one specific problem? Okay, and I can help not only in the test on paper, okay, in the review for the test on paper. You can ask me any question for the Alex, pero no test homework or pre-test. Okay, everything is clear? Okay, good luck, guys. Juan, do you have question or no? No? Okay. Juan, come on.